Okay, I'm going to try to do this. See, it says no paper. So that was my biggest obstacle, was getting the paper loaded. I couldn't figure it out, even with the directions. So I'm hoping my review can help somebody. And that's the difficult part, is getting this open here. Okay, so I got it open with one hand. Easy. You would have two. So you want the print side down. That's got to come in contact with this area of the head that puts your whatever you want on here, whether it's a barcode or label, just some wording, whatever you want to label, some bins, storage bins in the pantry and in the garage, and get it done with this. So you just kind of bring it up to the edge here. Another way I found to do it is kind of just get it right there. And I'm trying to do this with one hand, but you get it close and shut it, and that's how it's supposed to go. And you see it says no paper because I pulled on it. There you go. Okay, so now that's a lot easier when you have just one hand. And the app on the phone is super easy to use if you're pretty good with computers. The actual little writing part of it, you could change the font, you could change the size of it, you could change the size of your letters, bold, you can change it to barcode. It's really cool. There's some templates, but I didn't find any, but there is a feature that you can click on the templates. I looked there, I didn't see any that were on there, but you could save whatever you've done, so you can go back to your saved templates that you have. But as far as preloaded templates, I couldn't find any. There may be some, but I'm pretty impressed with this. This is my first test. Obviously that's really little, and I figured out I could make it larger. I'm gonna have a garage sale, and I want to put these labels on things that we're selling. So there you go.
Yeah, so we've got here is a neat little portable label printer that I received, and I found it quite useful for printing on-demand labels for individual items. So instead of printing a sheet of, say, 30 labels, if you just need a UPC label one item, you can just go to this thing and fill out your label, whatever you want it to say, and it actually connected quite easily via Bluetooth. And you got it ready. You can just hit print, confirm it, and out it comes. And did confirm everything scans nicely, and it does work very well so far.
Struggle the entire time he's been there.